my God, come on.
Hey guys, before we get into this vlog, I just wanted to assure you that my family and I did take all of the necessary safety precautions when going on this trip. We wanted to make sure that we keep each other safe and healthy, as well as all the people around us. So of course, when traveling, we wore masks, we sanitized, we stayed away from other people, social distance, and also we did quarantine before all getting together. Please wear your mask, social distance, and please only do things in small groups of people who have been quarantining or who have tested negative.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven. Ooh. Welcome to Family Vacation Vlog Part 2, Destin, Florida edition. Hey, we're walking over to the beach. Grammy, Papa, and PJ are already over there. This is actually only our second time going to the beach on this trip so far. We've been chilling. Ziya got her little bucket. Woo, nice and sunny today. It was kind of cloudy and overcast yesterday when we came out here, but today the sun is out. I am going to get a tan. We're gonna get nice and brown and toasty. Setup today. We actually bought a umbrella like on Amazon and had it shipped over to the house. Pro tip, going on vacation, ship some stuff straight to where you staying, because to rent these other umbrellas, like I guess these red ones or these blue ones out here, it costs $300 just to rent them. So we got our own. We got our little towels laid out, you know. Got my little drink, something slacked. This is our view. I mean, there's definitely people out here, as you can see, but you know, we're keeping our distance from everybody. Everybody seems to be social distancing pretty well.
Yeah, pack it in there. Just a little bit. Oh, a little bit. Now, try that one. Nope. No, it did better. Yeah, it did better. I think I want to do mine freeform. You gonna make one bigger than that?
Ginormous one.
Ginormous?
Like 10,000 buildings.
So it's a little bit later in the day now. We left Ziya back at the beach house with Ashley and the baby, and we have just pulled up to scooter rentals because we've been seeing people driving around in these things. I guess it's a scooter. Little go-kart looking things, two-person scooters. And we thought, why not give it a try? So we're gonna rent one. One for my mom and my dad, and one for me and PJ. You driving?
No.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Grammy and Pawpaw gonna be racing in, what's the movie called with the car? The little car? No, the little buggy. Y'all know what I'm talking about in the comments. The little car movie with Lindsay Lohan. Yeah, PJ can barely fit in this little thing. Here we go. We're just driving aimlessly. We have no idea where we are. And where do we go? Where? We just go straight down the road.
Hell no.
Let's not lose control. We're in the rich neighborhood. We drove all the way down to the end of the street. This is a dead end. Now we're gonna follow Papa, I guess. See if we could drive by where the house is, and Ashley and Ziya can maybe see us from the balcony going by. I don't know if y'all can hear me at all.
Hi, Ziya!
There they are. Hey, Ziya. That's my house. Woo! this road ice cream that I'm not supposed to be eating, but I am going to. Check out our ride. The wind blew my hair straight out of whack. Not that it was in very much whack to begin with, but it gave me a blowout. Like I look like Guy Fieri going to Flavor Town. But the little scooters are fun. I'm not driving it. Y'all know how I am with driving, period. Definitely not these little rinky-dink things on a regular road with all these big trucks around us. No. But fun to ride in. I think my parents are having fun. Just decided to stop at this ice cream place because we rented them for a whole hour, but there's only one little road that you can drive back and forth on. So it's not much to do with them for an hour. So I'm like, let's just make a pit stop, get some ice cream while we have them. You know, just enjoying the summertime weather. Taking it easy. I got my summertime clothes on. I'm like Malibu summertime vacation Barbie on the body and Guy Fieri on the head. My boba tea came in this very pretty, nice, fancy cup.
Salted caramel.
Of course. Is it good? So there's no reverse on these things, so you gotta push it to where you need it to go. Just back up. Look at Papa over there. All right, let's hit the road, head back. You're gonna blow up. Overfilled the gas tank. They make you put gas in it to top it off before you return it, but we only use like 1 drop of gas. So I tried to put just like $1 of gas in there. Just overfilled it. $1.41. That's ridiculous. They did 50 cents.
Yeah.
That's stupid. After you just broke it, trying to act cool. Lord, I did not want to have to pay for this whole entire scooter. Although it would be fun to have one if we could take it home. And we're back.
Hello, it is the next day. Yesterday after we got done with the little scooter mobile things, we just came back and chilled out. We had dinner. My mom made burgers and french fries, and we honestly just chilled out in the living room. We were gonna go for a night swim in the pool and then do a movie night, but everybody was like so tired and lazy. We didn't do any of that. We just ate, hung out, went to bed. Ziya fell asleep actually really early. I think all the travel and the vacationing kind of all caught up to her and she fell asleep early. But now we are up. It's actually already, it's like 11:30. I slept in honestly, and then I took a little dip in the pool by myself, try to get a little extra bit of toastiness on me. Do I look tan? I don't know if y'all can tell. I think I got like a couple shades darker at least, but just got dressed. I just put this little dress on if it felt vacation-y with the little tie straps. Just a simple little ribbed dress. And then my sandals, this is what all the girls are wearing these days, so I got me some. And I also got my little vacation purse. I don't know what you call these types of purses, like a basket purse almost. I thought this fit the vibe, so I'm gonna carry this. And that's gonna be my little beach vacation OOTD, and we are about to hit the shops and maybe get something to eat. I skipped breakfast this morning because I was in the pool. Maybe we'll go out for lunch or something. Not sure what all is open right now, but we gonna go see.
The family mobile got 2 car seats. Ziya and Bella. Let me see your outfit. Show me your pose. Ooh, turn around. Let me see the back. Okay. Wow. Love that new top and new shorts and new glasses and new shoes, actually. Your whole outfit is new. And Grammy has her beach dress on.
Oh, shame.
Gotta fit in here, so we just gotta go where we go. We have this van chock packed. I'm straight back here.
Bring back the old days. He's touching me, he's touching me, he's touching me.
Ashley and Bella up there. PJ and Daddy driving. Just pulled up to the Baytown Wharf Shopping Center, something like that. Not really sure what's out here. I'm hungry though. I ain't eat breakfast. Where are we going? You just start running like you know where you're going. What are we doing?
The only thing that'll stop her is a reptile.
Yeah,
she'll
basically.
come back this way. Otherwise, she's gonna leave.
I feel we just looking, we just walking.
You don't look like you're looking. You look like you run into a destination.
I'm not ready for y'all to be laughing at my expense all the time. Shoot.
You always make fun of grandmother. You just got done making fun of her literally 5 seconds ago. Oh, look, a rock wall. I got a rock wall, a merry-go-round with some other little things, but they're probably not doing them because of Corona. Well, this seems like it would be a fun place to go if things were open. But they got the carousel shut down, rock wall shut down. I got like one of them little jumpy trampoline things over here, which also looks shut down. Arcade over there, I wonder if that's open. Kind of a ghost town out here. Let's see what's open. See if any of the restaurants are open. Bring your doll for a free ear piercing. Dolls can get their ears pierced. This is a store all about dolls, Ziya. It's your perfect store. Oh, there's more puppies.
It's D&D, dolls and dogs.
Dolls and dogs.
You want to see the baby, don't you?
There you go.
She wants to come see the baby.
Aww.
Come on. Oh, how cute. Just say hello.
Hi. Hi. Look at all this doll stuff, Ziya. Look at these shoes. Look at these special shoes. Oh my gosh. Look at this mermaid outfit. That's a pirate costume. You like this store?
Moana.
Oh, Moana's outfit. We are at Oyster House for some lunch. Passed around the hand sanitizer. I ordered a little lemonade cocktail. Came in this cute can. Grammy thinks she's fancy.
Prosecco. Since I can't go to Martha's Vineyard, I toast Martha's Vineyard with the Prosecco.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Keep walking. The food was actually really good at that place. I had calamari, shrimp, Brussels sprouts, all my favorite things. Everything was scratch made, fresh seafood. Very good. Guess we'll just head back now since all the attractions are closed. Would have been fun to do some of the activities, but cheering knocked out. We're walking to the beach one last time. My mom is deathly afraid of all reptiles. And there are lizards everywhere, which nobody cares except her. My mom's gonna have a heart attack walking through this path. My dad is not here for it. He's tired of her shenanigans. But there are a lot of lizards. Like every time you take a step, there's a lizard running across.
Look at the palm tree.
Oh,
Look at the palm tree.
No, Mommy, I don't like lizards.
Lizards are fine. Grammy's being scared for no reason. You don't have to be scared because you're brave. Lizards don't bite, they don't sting, they don't hurt people. They don't do anything. You don't have to be scared of them. And they're so much tinier than you. This is a lizard's natural habitat. They're gonna be lizards. They're just little baby lizards. Grammy is just having a fit. Oh my God, come on! The drama of it all. And she got a broken toe, so she can't run. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Huh? What's going on in there? Did you make this whole city over here? All by yourself?
No, Granny and Papa helped me.
Oh, okay. Last little dip in the ocean before it's time to go home. Back from the beach, one last final swim. And look who's even out here. But she don't have her swimsuit on.
I didn't put my swimsuit on.
She's not serious. She's not really about that life quite yet. Just dip the toes in.
Just dip my feet in. Dip, dip, dip.
Dip, dip, dip. Ooh, that feel good. You swimming, Ziya? You pushing Grammy?
Why does Grammy sound like she got a breath?
Grammy not doing anything.
Why is she out of breath?